Утоутила, утопила, утоутила, Piloto, Courtyard. Flying, take me away, sailing, sailing, sail me away. Pilot, pilot me away. Today I wanna fly, today I wanna touch the sky. Today I wanna be piloted away. Flying, take me away, sailing, sailing, sail me away. Pilot, pilot me away. Today, got these damn cool alleys in Macau. They got these names you never expect. We got the maritime, must be a pilot's courtyard. But for me it makes me want to fly, 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 fly away. Today, flying, take me away, sailing, sailing, sail me away. Pilot, pilot me away. Today, I wanna fly today, I wanna touch the sky. Today, I wanna be piloted away. Today, I wanna fly today, I wanna touch the sky. Today, I wanna be piloted away. Today, I wanna touch the sky. Today, got these damn cool alleys in Macau. We got these names you never expect. We got the maritime, must be a pilot's courtyard, yard. But for me, it makes me wanna fly, 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 fly away. Today, got these names you never expect. We got the maritime, must be a pilot's courtyard. But for me, it makes me wanna fly, 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 fly away. Today, fly, fly.
Okay, we're gonna do a little courtyard called Patio do Piloto. And we're just gonna walk into this little space. But before we do, we're out at this place called Praia do Manduça. It's kind of sunny right here, but let me get out of the sun a little bit. But this is kind of a main street that goes all the way down to Barra. So Barra is on one end, which is where Ama Temple is at. And then on the other end, this goes up into the hills that way towards like the La Fountain and Peña Church behind these buildings. And then down here goes to a marketplace called São Lorenzo. And then you can see all this, they sell fruits here, and they sell flowers down that way. But we're gonna be going down this way, Piloto, and we're gonna check out what's down that way. So stay tuned. Okay, we have a courtyard in Macau. There it is up on the map. And it's the name in both Chinese and in Portuguese is pilot. The Chinese one kind of has a little bit more of a flying pilot reference, but then geographically of this area it has more of a maritime because it's near the ocean, and there's a kind of another one like a pilot school for ships that's not too far away from here as well. So anyways, I created the AI, so the song you're gonna see that, and that song I mixed both flying and sailing, as you can see and as you heard in the lyrics. But the lyrics are here, and this is kind of a fun way just to kind of play around with it. And then once I created the lyrics and fed it into AI, the AI had a nice sound to it. So I was like, well, okay, I'll just stick with that, and I won't change the lyrics at all. So anyways, it's there. It's right there on the screen. And so we're gonna do the walk and talk now, where I'm gonna go down pilot school and kind of talk about it. Another little slice of Macau for you. Okay, Piloto. Again, that's Ama Temple way down there, Barra. The other side of this is Peña Church. On the other side of these tall buildings right here, the La Fountain, where a water well would have been. Then down that way it goes to, I think it's called São Lorenzo. It's like a market for the community. And we're gonna walk down this little patio. It's like a little courtyard. And you can already see there's like a ton of cool looking apartments everywhere. Just try to get a good idea of what this looks like. But it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 stories. And I think you can actually see them all the way down there. You can see some rooftops as well. But I think historically, I think legally you can only have 4 or 5, I think. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those ones at the top would be rooftops. So let's walk down that way. And I don't know if they count this one as a 0. So it could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 would be like probably is what is legal. Then everything above it would be illegal, but very common throughout Macau. It's a barbershop. We got a temple. But yeah, you can see some of the rooftop ones way up there. And then let me just see. I'm just gonna go down here real quick. We're just gonna walk down. Here's a tower right there. And then we're going to see what the street is here. Then we're going to turn around and come back. There's a shrine. So this whole area has these tons of these little alleys that are quite narrow, and they go from like Lilao Fountain, the main street. There's a main street that's not too far away. But this particular street is the Praia do Maduso, this way right here, where the marketplace is at. Then all these small little corridors of small lanes that go all the way to where the ocean is at. And I think that we're on reclaimed land in this space. They reclaimed a lot of land in Macau. So I think the Praia do Maduso, which is where we started at. Praia means beach. So there would have been some beach reference there. And then I think they would have reclaimed it. There's another shrine here too. Let's just kind of walk. I think that's Turipo and Turigong, maybe? Not 100% sure. I didn't really see into it very well. So there are a lot of incense. Just gonna keep on going down. There's like there's an earth god and his wife. So I didn't really see what the shrine was, but I think that's what it might have been. So we're gonna keep on going down. Which are kind of cool, because in this space, oh, there are cars in here. But this is not a through street, so these cars would just come in here and park. You can see that one is pretty dusty. Looks like they probably parked it in a while. This looks kind of dusty too. So people are coming in here and parking, but then this green right here will stop them from going where those motorcycles are at. So they're probably coming in from this other main street that we're going to be walking to. A lot of shrines in here. So we have another shrine coming up at the base, which is pretty common. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kind of forget if it's 4 or 5 that's legal, and if ground is 0, or ground is counted as 1. I can't really remember. We got another shrine. Guiyang. I forget all the names. I'm trying to remember them, but. So we're gonna go out to that space there in a second. But this is the street that we're gonna be leaving. And this is Piloto. Here comes a car. They're probably gonna park, I guess. Okay, so let's go on out. And then right here, you're gonna see a couple places to sit, 2 benches. And then we're gonna come out to, so there's Piloto. And then we're gonna come out to, I'll tell you about it in a second. But this is kind of like a main waterfront space, sort of. But this right here is called Riviera, and this is kind of an eyesore. So this whole area is called Inner Harbor, and this was they kind of built this really tall building that's kind of blocked the beauty of this, and then you kind of lost view of the ocean right there. So so sometimes I've been reading a book from some architects, and they were just talking about how that really kind of ruined the fabric, this one, and another one way up there called Part 16. It's also like this enormous thing that kind of blocks the view. So anyways, this is our Target Street all the way down, and let me just briefly look at this. So this big street, I think it's called Sergio Almeida, something like that. And this it goes all the way down, follows the waterfront, but the waterfront is about a block over on the other side of this building, this Riviera. And if we were to go up there, you could get a view of the ocean. Maybe we'll walk a little bit, but you can see some kind of shipyard stuff right over there. And then it's a little bit beyond the scope of this particular video, but this goes all the way down to Barra. But anyways, that's beyond what we're going to be doing. And our focus is solely on Piloto Courtyard. And there it is. So hopefully you enjoyed another slice of Macau.